cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night.
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to clean my master bedroom and then we're going to decorate it. I'm super excited about this video. And today's video is a collab with my friend Courtney. Her channel is Courtney Allison. I am going to have her links down below. She is actually another mama here on YouTube. We have been friends for a very long time, and she also is in the Instagram group She Gets Me about anxiety and all that stuff. So definitely go check out her video after mine. So make sure you go over to her channel and show her some love, and we're gonna go ahead and just get into the video.
And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you.
So I am switching out pillows. I bought these pillow covers from Amazon. They are a buffalo check, and I really love them. They're so cute and they're super affordable. Actually, all the pieces that I got for this room was super affordable.
That I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you.
And then the little red buffalo check pillows, I actually got those from Walmart, and they were $5 a piece.
Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you.
So today I am cleaning with my Mrs. Meyers Clean Day. It is in the scent Peppermint. It's a multi-surface cleaner, so I'm going to use it on everything and just make this an easy clean. And the nice thing about this multi-surface cleaner is you can even clean glass with it, so it's multi-use, so it really helps out if you're just trying to save a little bit of time and get the space cleaned up.
By the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. With you. I don't need any presents, as long as I...
So one of my favorite things to do is add a little Christmas tree in our bedroom. It just kind of gives me that Christmas feel, and later we're going to go ahead and decorate that tree.
Carol's being sung, it's Christmas. The fire crackling gently all the while. Snow is falling.
If you guys are new to my channel and you guys enjoy this video, I would love to have you a part of my family. Just go ahead and click that subscribe button, and also comment down below and say hi. I always love when my subscribers, let me know that they watched the video and kind of say hi in the comments, just so I know that you were here.
A town filled with wonder and delight.
So we have a lot of Christmas packages waiting to be wrapped, so that's why you see all these Amazon boxes everywhere. I have to sit down and actually spend some time and start wrapping presents because Christmas is not too far away. Let me know if you guys have started on your Christmas wrapping.
When you're a million miles away, but maybe there's a star to lead the way. 'Cause I wanna hold you when Santa's coming around and kiss you right beneath that mistletoe.
So if you're new to my channel, this basket actually came from my laundry room. I do keep a big basket full of toilet paper right there in the laundry room because our laundry room's in the hallway between all of our bedrooms, and it's just easy for all of us to kind of go in there and grab a roll, and then I will go ahead and store the rest of the toilet paper in the hallway linen closet.
Good tidings, some goodwill to this man, since now I got my wishes down to one. Oh, so check out my list.
So now we're gonna go ahead and kind of tidy up my little ladder shelf here. I really love this shelf. We actually found it on OfferUp, which is kind of like a Craigslist. And we got it for like less than 20 bucks. It was like $15 or $20, and I love it. So I think it was a great buy.
No, my one and only wishes.
So a lot of you guys asked me about my vacuum cleaner. It's actually the Shark Navigator Professional. I usually have a lot of the things that I use in my Amazon favorites, and I always have that link in my description box. If you ever want to find something that I'm using, it's usually in there. If not, just go ahead and ask me.
Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belts. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas, and some kind of love, my friend. Pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas, and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you. Oh, it's such a charm, got you up in my arms. There's nobody at the door.
So I was trying to decide what pieces of decor to add, and since we have more hints of gold throughout our room, I decided to put the Believe sign right there.
To get out in the snow, lighting a light with you. Choirs will sing and the joy bells will ring. Nobody loves you as much as I do. It's a wonderful feeling from floor to the ceiling. It is that time of the year, drinking hot wine by the fire. Here on our own, we got nothing to fear. It's Christmas.
And this is the after look. I will do some close-ups of all the decor. I absolutely love it. It's just a perfect amount of Christmas in our room, and it just works for us. We like a little bit more of a subtle, simple look, but still adds those hints of red and green and holiday feel. So here's the comment of the day. Make sure you guys are watching to the end of all my videos because I always feature one of your guys' comments each video. And do not forget to check out Courtney's video so you can get some extra inspiration. And I love you guys so much. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also give me a thumbs up just to let me know that you guys enjoyed this video. And I will see you guys in the comments. Bye.
And hang a wreath on your door.